Hello everyone, this is Larry from Legend Drive. Today we will introduce our CIR 19 hammer. This is our CIR 19 hammers. And this one is our CIR 19 draw bits. There are 10 buttons in the face and 2 flash holes in the top of the draw bits. Okay, next we're gonna show to you how to insulate the draw bits with the hammer. First, you need to put the draw bits into the hammer. This area face this hole here, like. Yes. After this, we'll put this small rod from here, and we're gonna use this one to put here. Okay, now you can turn on, and this we're gonna link your draw rod. So this is how we hammer and the draw bits work. Thank you. 好，可以了。